Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Exciting news for the PiNetwork community. 3 major cryptocurrency exchanges, OKX, Bitget, and Gate.io, have officially passed the Know Your Business (KYB) process set by the Pi Core team and have been granted permission to list PiCoin on February 20, 2025. This significant move brings PiNetwork closer to global cryptocurrency trading, offering greater visibility and accessibility for pioneers. However, one big question remains: will Binance follow suit? What KYB means and its impact on PiCoin. KYB, or Know Your Business, is a stringent verification process designed to ensure that exchanges wishing to list PiCoin meet the transparency, security, and regulatory standards set by the Pi Core team. With OKX, Bitget, and Gate.io now approved, PiCoin is positioned to gain broader adoption within the crypto industry. This development marks an important milestone for PiNetwork, signaling that the project is meeting critical regulatory requirements and working towards becoming a recognized digital asset within the global cryptocurrency market. The approval of these exchanges strengthens the credibility of PiCoin, as it now has official trading platforms that comply with necessary regulations. As one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Binance holds considerable influence over the future trajectory of digital assets. Binance's participation in listing PiCoin would significantly impact its market presence. If Binance submits a KYB application and receives approval from the Pi Core team, the results could be far-reaching. Increased liquidity. The trading volume of PiCoin would likely surge dramatically, as Binance's vast user base and market activity would provide a substantial boost. Increased liquidity. The trading volume of PiCoin would likely surge dramatically, as Binance's vast user base and market activity would provide a substantial boost. Market confidence. A listing on Binance would attract institutional investors and individual traders alike, further validating PiCoin's credibility in the eyes of the global market. Ecosystem validation. Having PiCoin available on Binance would signal that PiNetwork is ready to compete at a global level, potentially accelerating its journey toward mainstream adoption. Why community support matters. The PiNetwork community, or the pioneers, has played a crucial role in the project's growth. As the network continues its transition towards an open mainnet, community involvement is more important than ever. With the listing of PiCoin on major exchanges like OKX, Bitget, and Gate.io, pioneers can celebrate a victory. Yet, the path to further success depends on the continued support and active participation of the community. Now it's time for pioneers to rally behind the idea of Binance joining the list of approved exchanges. Sharing the news about the KYB approval process and encouraging Binance to submit its own application can help accelerate PiNetwork's momentum and bring it closer to achieving its goal of becoming a prominent cryptocurrency in the global market. What's next for PiNetwork? The journey of PiCoin is just beginning, and the news of successful KYB approvals from major exchanges is just the tip of the iceberg. As the network moves closer to its open mainnet launch, each new development has the potential to shape the future of PiCoin. The approval of exchanges is a pivotal step in gaining wider adoption and recognition, and the Pi Core team's continued commitment to building a transparent, secure, and compliant ecosystem is likely to yield positive outcomes for the community. For now, all eyes are on Binance. As a key player in the global crypto exchange space, its decision to list PiCoin could mark a major turning point for PiNetwork. If Binance follows in the footsteps of OKX, Bitget, and Gate.io, PiCoin could experience a dramatic increase in liquidity and market confidence, paving the way for even greater success in the future. The approval of OKX Bitget and Gate.io to list PiCoin marks a significant achievement for PiNetwork. As the community celebrates this milestone, the anticipation grows around whether Binance will follow suit. The involvement of Binance could propel PiCoin to new heights, bringing higher liquidity, increased market trust, and validating PiNetwork's place in the global cryptocurrency arena. The Pi community's continued advocacy and support are crucial in ensuring that PiNetwork continues to grow and thrive in the competitive world of cryptocurrency.